Rain is grace, rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. John Updike. Rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea and a good book. Bill Watterson. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. Roger Miller. I like it when it rains hard. It sounds like white noise everywhere, which is like silence but not empty. Mark Haddon. I always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying. Charlie Chaplin. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Vivian Green. The rain falls gently down and slowly fills my cup. This never would have happened if raindrops all fell up. Tom Batuk. The sound of the rain needs no translation. Alan Watts. I have always considered the rain to be healing, a blanket, the comfort of a friend. Douglas Coupland. The rain fell alike upon the just and upon the unjust, and for nothing was there yn a wherefore. W. Somerset Maugham. From where we stand the rain seems random. If we could stand somewhere else, we would see the order in it. Tony Hillerman. Those who hate rain hate life. Dejan Stojanovic. I love the smell of rain and growing things. Serena Hernandez. Love like rain can nourish from above, drenching couples with a soaking joy. Paulo Coelho. There is nothing quite like the smell of rain on a grass field after a sunny spell. Fuad Alekbarov. I believe in running through the rain and crashing into the person you love. Billy Bob Thornton. One can find so many pains when the rain is falling. John Steinbeck. Don't threaten me with love, baby. Let's just go walking in the rain. Billie Holiday. Thank you. Goodbye.